need of Engine Diagnostics Repair in Hickory Hills, Illinois, you have come to the right place. At Performance Auto Repair, we utilize state-of-the-art diagnostic tools to accurately pinpoint issues within your engine, ensuring that you receive the most effective solutions. Our skilled technicians are trained to identify everything from minor issues to major system failures, providing you with a clear and comprehensive understanding of your vehicle's needs. Whether it's a check engine light or unusual performance problems, trust Performance Auto Repair to get you back on the road safely. Call us today for a repair estimate. If you are in need